think that the biggest shift we're seeing is from raw data to privacy first sharing. And that's really due to some of the evolving regulatory requirements such as GDPR and others. So as companies are starting to prioritize security and compliance, that's in parallel to still trying to monetize their data. Databricks Clean Rooms is a great example of a technology that allows multi-collaborators to actually ensure that privacy is maintained, but still not expose any of that raw underlying data while they look to do analytics together. And that's really helping drive new insights in midst of all of the regulation that's happening over top of that. I've got a great example of a company that's really leveraged some of these privacy preserving technologies. So we've been working closely with a healthcare and life sciences company that works in the clinical trial space. And one of the biggest challenges that they've had was really reducing the time and the whole life cycle of a clinical trial. In the past, all of the collaborators and participants shared data manually. It was very error prone and extremely slow. And what this company ended up doing was implementing the Databricks Clean Room to help facilitate more secure, privacy-preserving ways to collaborate between multiple stakeholders. So this was able to accelerate the analytics, accelerate the speed to accessing of this data, while still maintaining all of the compliance and regulatory needs and constraints around dealing with very, very sensitive data. And so overall, this was a big boon to the organization. They saw almost a 50% reduction in timelines in terms of getting the correct approvals, getting the right access to doing this, and really helping facilitate some really life-saving use cases in the long run around some of these clinical trials.